sir. All right, take a step back. Load it right here with this pole. Right here? All right, go ahead and load it, McRae. Hanging off to the side. Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. You are finished. Unload show. It's clear. Or even. All zeros. Let's tape them up. I can't believe they call that fair. I mean, hey. Keep it on deck. Tom's in the hole. Ethan, you may load and make ready. You know, if you don't do well, I'm going to make fun of you.
Ah, all right, all right. The pressure's on now.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. And finished. Unload. Slide forward. Press trigger. Holster. Range is clear. 934.
How did I do? Are you still making fun of me?
You got one mic.
Oh yeah, you got one mic right
man.
there.
One mic and one there.
First one. Just saying.
Yeah. What was it?
So yeah.
Total with 15. Honestly, you're on par
You
with
went from
everybody
9
else.
to
You're fast.
15.
Okay.
All right, that's my list. Anchor up.
David's up.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. Drop slide, hammer down, holster.
It's fun going fast, but like, yeah.
It's hard to balance, like, taking your time and getting your hits to going faster than the process, right?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Coach fire.
Yes, sir.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Shooter, if you finished, unload, show clear, slide forward, trigger, holster.
That wouldn't go down?
No. I hit it. It didn't go down.
2, 0.
It's good hits.
Shooter, are you ready?
Yep.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload, show clear. Drop slide, hammer down, holster. So that was at least 6 over here because you were way outside of this.
Oh, I didn't know you had.
Fault. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Went over it.
I thought I heard somebody say you could.
You're fine.
What happened?
I guess you can't be outside of here. I guess you can't be outside of
We had
here.
like 6 different people ask, and he said straight back from this barricade.
I didn't hear that. That's my bad.
Way over here.
No fault lines.
Yeah.